Folks, we got a 1974 Trans Am for sale here today, but this is a Super Duty. Extremely rare, really a part of American muscle car history. For those that don't know what a Super Duty is, in 1974, they weren't building cars with horsepower anymore. Those days were over. Some guys in Pontiac sneaked this car past the top brass. Excuse me. They built a 300 horsepower 455 engine, and I think less than 1,000 of these got made. But it's a rare car, but all the specs are on our website, volocars.com. This is an all-number match, restored, real Super Duty Trans Am. Very sought-after car. And subscribe to our YouTube channel. We put all sorts of cool stuff on there for sale.